To change contact us button on about page, go to dashboard, pages, about page, this is the new editor, but here it is, button contact us, my button, text, update, my button text. To change this text here on the pricing, go to the pricing page. I will use now classic editor, and here you have pricing, you have title, you have button text, you have price, sub price. This part is where to link when you click on the button, so you can set here something like it is my site. And this tag here is to open in the same window or to open in the new window. If you want to have to open in the new tab, if you want a new tab, you need to use this text here, target box. So I will for now just change this pricing button, and here I will set Coco Basic in new tab, update. Here it is pricing button, and when I click in new tab I have Coco Basic open. And the last is this button here, where set send to edit this. This is on the contact page, but when you go to the contact page you will see there just short code for the contact form. Here it is, contact form 7 ID is this. To change the contact form, go to contact forms, we will leave this page, and this is our contact form, edit, and here it is, submit send. I will send me here, and also you will need to change, you click save, you will need to change this part here in the mail. This here you will need to set your own mail, and also to change this text here. So now on the contact form I have this send here.